Hi everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Sudhi. Welcome back to my channel Get Fit with Sudhi. Back pain is one of the common complaints by people these days. Anybody can incur back pain if their spine is overstrained or compressed. Let us understand who are very prone to experience back pain. People who have wrong postures, rounded back, forward tilted head. People who sit for longer hours in front of television or laptops. People who are overweight or obese. Let us explore some yoga poses that will correct our body postures, improve the flexibility and strength of our back muscles. Without further ado, let's move to practice.
Let us learn to do Trikonasana. Stand tall. Keep 3 to 4 feet distance between your legs. Your toes are pointing front. Your kneecaps are pulled up. Now inhale, extend your arms to the sides. Turn your right foot to 90 degrees. Slowly exhale, bend sideways. Hold your ankle. Gaze at your thumb. Hold this pose now for 5 deep breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Ensure that your knees are always extended and not bent. Now slowly inhale and come up. Let us do it on the other side. Turn your left foot to 90 degrees. Exhale and bend sideways. Hold your ankle again. Gaze at your thumb. Take 5 deep breaths. Now slowly inhale and come up. Exhale. Relax. Do this pose for one more time. Let us learn to do Prasarita Padottanasana. First, keep 3 to 4 feet distance between your legs. Your toes are pointing front. Pull your kneecaps up. Stand tall. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale deeply. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Keep your back straight. Now hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. You should hold this pose for a minimum of 30 seconds. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Focus on your breathing. Ensure that your kneecaps are pulled up. This is a very good pose to stretch your lower back and your entire lower body. Now slowly inhale and come up. Exhale, relax. Now we will do a slight variation in Prasarita Padottanasana. Inhale, exhale, place your hands on your hip. Now inhale deeply, exhale slowly and bend forward. Now place your hands on the mat. Your fingertips are aligned with the toes. Inhale, exhale, bend deeper, drop your head. Now hold this pose for 5 deep breaths for a minimum of 30 seconds. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Focus on your breathing. Now inhale, look up. Exhale there. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale and come up. Exhale, relax. Do it for one more round. This pose is called Marichyasana or seated sage twist. Sit on the mat with your legs extended. Now bend your left knee. Ensure that your left knee is completely closed. Take back your left hand behind the body. Inhale, raise your right hand, bend the elbow and keep it pressed against the left knee. Twist your spine and look back. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Don't collapse your back. Focus on your breathing. Now inhale, turn back, extend your leg. Let us do it on the other side. Now bend your right knee. Take back your right hand behind the body. Raise your left hand, bend the elbow and keep it pressed against the right knee. Twist your spine and look back. Again, do not collapse your back. Keep your spine long. Take 5 deep breaths. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now inhale, turn back. Extend your knees. Relax. Do it one more time. Now let us learn to do Apanasana. Lie down on the mat. Bring your feet close together. Now inhale and lift your leg to 45 degrees. Now to 90 degrees. Bend it at the knee level. Point your toes away. Hold both the knees with the hands. Interlock the fingers. Be in this pose for some time. Focus on your breathing. Now inhale deeply. Exhale, lift your head. Keep your chin in between the knees. This will give a good stretch to your mid back. Be in this pose for a minimum of 5 breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now slowly inhale, drop your head, release your hands, lift your leg to 90 degrees, slowly to 45 degrees. Now drop it to the ground. This completes one set. Do it for one more set. The next pose is Shalabhasana. Lie down on the mat. Press your forehead to the ground. Feet close together. Palms beside the body. Inhale, lift your chest and knees off the ground. Make sure that your abdomen stays on the mat. Only the chest is lifted along with the knee. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Exhale, relax. Shalabhasana is a very good pose to strengthen your lower back. Now let us do a slight variation to the pose. Again, join both your feet. Bring your arms close to the chest with a bent elbow. Inhale, lift your chest and knees off the ground. Hold the pose for 5 deep breaths. Notice here that your abdomen stays on the mat it doesn't lift off. Only the chest and the knees come off the mat. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Exhale, relax. This completes one round. I recommend you to do one more round. Let us now learn a yoga back bend pose called Ustrasana. Let us first sit in Vajrasana. Now keep hip width distance between the knees. You can use a rolled up towel to place below the knees. This will put less pressure on the kneecap. Now stand on the knees, hands on the hip. Now inhale deeply, push your hips forward and bend. Notice that my hip is in line with the knees. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Ustrasana is a very good pose to strengthen your lower back and stretch your neck muscles. Now inhale, come up, relax. Do this pose for one more time. Let us do Shashankasana. First assume Vajrasana. Bend your right knee. Shift your weight to the right side. Now bend your left knee. Join both your heels. Now sit on your heels. Keep your back straight. Now inhale, raise your hands. Exhale slowly and bend. Touch your forehead to the ground. Start walking your fingers. Make sure that your buttocks doesn't lift off from your heels. You can close your eyes in this position. This is Shashankasana pose. This will stretch your entire back. It will calm down your nervous system as well. Hold this pose as long as you can. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Relax. Now slowly inhale and come up. You can do one more round. The last pose in the sequence is Viparita Karani or legs up the wall pose. To do this pose, use a folded blanket. Sit on the blanket with your legs extended. Move close to the wall. Bend your knees. Turn and lie down on the blanket. Make sure that your buttocks are in close contact with the wall. Keep your legs extended. Now keep your arms extended to the sides. So this is Viparita Karani or legs up the wall pose. Hold this pose as long as you can. This is a very good pose for your back muscles. It will also calm down your nervous system. It's a very relaxing pose. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Pay attention to your breathing. This will also improve the blood circulation to the lower parts of the body. To come out of the pose, bend the knee, turn towards your left and slowly raise.
There you go, that was my video about yoga poses for the back. I hope you have liked my video. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Take care of yourself. See you next time. Namaste.